Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Sistering with Mel and Lynn. Hi, Mel.
Basta.
I'm good.
Okay, so as promised, di ba, last episode, sinabi mo, we're going to talk about something na in detail ngayon, na in passing na pag-usapan natin. Medyo na-trigger tayo ng konti dun
Yeah.
nung first episode natin. So it's about dun sa mga okay okay na ako. Okay na sila sa ganun lang. Parang kung ano sila, okay na sila. Parang ayaw nang mag-evolve, ayaw nang um, mag-improve, or very comfortable na for who they are and what they're doing. And why we are saying or encouraging everyone right now na you have to do something more or something or a project, di ba? Something else aside from what you're
But
currently
is it
doing.
bad entirely? Kasi 'di ba, parang ang sinasabi naman ng iba, matutong makontento, 'di ba? Dapat kontento rin. Parang how do you balance it nga ba? Na you in one way kontento ka, you're content with what you have, pero um you still want to improve,
Mm-mm.
you still want to become better. Tama ba yun na parang sabihin kong okay na ako, I mean ito lang ako tsaka mababa lang naman yung pangarap ko, 'di ba?
For me, personally, um, maybe it's not bad. It's not totally bad. I cannot say it's bad. But it's not good either. For me, it's a disservice. It's a disservice to your creator. So
Yeah.
God is so magnificent. Like, di ba? And we are created in His image. So parang, of course, we cannot play God. We cannot be like God. We cannot be like that. But at least we can reflect His image. And do you think, um, this is a question for all, na we can always go back to asking ourselves, is doing nothing or not improving on anything that I am interested or I am currently into is a reflection of an image of God?
Mhm.
I'm sure the answer is no.
Yeah.
So, di ba? But you're not committing sin, but
Mhm.
you are not also becoming the true Christian that you should be.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah,
So,
because parang yun yung
that's my take.
treasure na binury mo, hindi mo
Binaon
siya
mo lang.
ginamit. Yeah,
Yes.
binaon mo lang, hindi mo siya
Binaon mo lang.
ginamit. Yeah,
Kaya
kasi
pet
yung
peeve ko yan eh. Kaya pet peeve ko yung okay na ako, ganyan. Okay na ako, hayaan mo na, ganyan talaga. Or uh, others are even saying na, halimbawa, sa business, okay lang, ayoko naman talagang lumaki. Okay na
hmm,
ako ng ganito lang. Dati patola pa ako. Like talagang gusto kong pumatol na,
yeah,
dito ka pa. Ano ginagawa mo dito? Nagpapagod ka lang. Yung gusto kong sabihin ng gano'n. Well, really, talagang triggered ako. Gusto ko sabihin na, so, matulog ka sa bahay. Mas masarap matulog kung wala kang, di ba?
yeah.
Parang gano'n. Pero,
Mm.
syempre ngayon, I have a more professional and more political way of saying things. And maybe like, siguro, inaano ko na lang. Kaya ito na lang, dito na lang ako sa platform natin magsasabi.
Right,
At
okay.
least, magra-rant and I can express and I can explain myself. Kasi they might misunderstand
Yeah.
kung saan ako nanggagaling. Di ba? At least dito
Mhm.
na-explain ko na kanina, sa simula pa lang, kung ano yung stand ko. So,
Yes.
even sa health, di ba? I've been advocating health for quite a while. Tapos, kapag tumatahimik na lang talaga ako, pero naiinis ako, kapag sinabi na sa akin na ng mga tao na um, ah, example sa chocolate na pag when we are like ito mga kwento ko na naman pagka inaalok namin ay ano na ako may diabetes na ako ganyan media na ako media part na daw siya ng media diabetes
Yeah.
parang ganyan so nagpapatawa pa ganyan so gusto nila unsweetened so, sabihin ko meron naman kaming unsweetened ganyan so ayaw tikman yung sweetened ganyan tapos sasabihin nila kasi nasa lahi namin eh. So, yung gano'n, nati-trigger talaga ako doon. Pero syempre, I just have to smile. Hindi ako pwede makipagtalo.
Yeah.
It's not appropriate. At the same time, I'm just selling chocolate. So, yun
Yeah.
na lang. Pero gusto ko ngayong sabihin sa inyo, since ito naman, this is my time, this is my moment to say this, that genetics dictate only 5% of the sickness that you will get. Even even the chance of having twins, napakaliit niyan, even if twins yung parents mo. So yung genes, maliit lang yan. So wag nating silang sisihin at wag tayong
Yeah.
maging victim, 'di ba? Alisin natin yung pagiging victim or victim mindset. We have to own it na hindi tayo naging responsible sa pagkain
Yeah.
natin, sa lifestyle natin, kaya tayo nagkakasakit, something like that. And hindi pa naman po huli ang lahat. Pwede pang mag-improve. Doon ako nanggagaling na, 'di ba, na yung current situation mo can always be improved. Even science is saying that. Epigenesis is true. Like your
Yeah.
DNA changes every so often depending on ano yung exposure mo, saan mo siya ine-expose, like what you eat, what you do, ano mga toxic chemicals you're exposed in. So lahat yan, epigenesis is true. So nagbabago, pwedeng
Yeah.
magbago. Yung nag-heal or nagde-destroy ang body, ang DNA natin. So
Yeah, I just
ganun
remember
din.
I just remembered
Go
na
ahead.
I heard this study na merong couple and they adopted a child. May mga study about adopted children na nakukuha nila, namamana nila yung sakit ng adoptive parents. So, I
Yes.
mean, they don't share the
They're
same
not
genes, 'di ba? But
genetically,
pass
yeah.
on the diseases, it's because of the lifestyle. Kasi, 'di ba,
Yes,
they
true,
eat the
true.
same food,
Yes, they live in the same
they use the
house,
same
they do the same
yeah,
things. Yeah. They're
yeah,
exposed to the same stressors. And there's also a study naman na twins were parang separated. They live
yeah,
differently.
yeah,
Tapos, nung magkaiba din yung naging, ano nila,
environment.
the other one is, health profile nila after a while. So,
Mhm,
hindi talaga ganon. So, and ganon din sa personally. Personally, you can always grow and improve on something. Like, you can be simple, but there's always a way to elevate things. Like, example, itong necklace na suot ko. It can elevate any plain white shirt or
mhm,
into formal affairs, no? Parang mukhang lakas makadonya. Pero I just
yeah.
got this for 250 pesos or 200 pesos online. So,
Oh,
sa Instagram, I forgot the name, pero sige, hahanapin ko and then I'll share it with you and sa
yeah,
mga listeners natin. So, di ba, parang hindi naman kailangang and it's still me. It doesn't change my white shirt. Still my
mm,
white shirt. Pero nadagdagan lang ng konti. Ganon din, like sa personality, sa life natin, we can still be like you yourself. You don't have to change yourself dahil sinabi natin improve. But you can, di ba, add something of value that will elevate you, your
mhm,
personality, who you are, and will give you will make you more fulfilled. Not
mhm,
necessarily monetary, pero yung sense of fulfillment will be there. So yun yung that's what I'm saying na hindi pwede yung okay na ako. Ganyan.
mm.
So
Yeah,
ikaw,
and
what's
para
your
naman dun sa mga ako naman para dun sa mga nagsasabi na kasi, ito lang yung pangarap ko kasi kontento na ako, ganito and, um para sa akin kasi yung sinabi mo na we have God-given talents na kailangan gamitin natin. Meron din tayong God-given purpose na sometimes yung purpose talaga na yun is baka ang purpose mo talaga is maging karpintero. Alam mo yun, yung hindi masyadong grand na career na actually I have a story. This is the story I wanted to share, yung sabi ko in the previous episode. Kasi recently I got interested about um mga exorcisms ganyan. Actually I'm a very I'm a very scared person when it comes to mga ganyang bagay, but I don't know, for some
Mhm.
reason I got really interested. So meron akong pinapakinggan ng mga exorcist priests abroad, and then
Mhm.
there's one priest na nagkwento siya na most of the demons na na-encounter niya during exorcisms, kasi tinatanong niya, parang, "What's your name? What were
Yes,
you
yes.
created for?" Parang, "For what purpose were you created?" Yun yung mga questions niya. So, and as we know, demons are fallen angels, 'di ba?
Correct.
Angels sila, so they were created for a specific purpose, and all they have to do is to fulfill that purpose. And then nung kinreate sila, they have this supreme intelligence, parang naka-download na lahat, hindi na nila kailangan na mag-aral or mag-discover, nandun na lahat. Parang they have this intelligence, yung parang and knowledge na wala tayo, 'di ba? Kaya sobrang mas mataas sila kesa sa atin. But yun nga, they have a purpose. They were created for a certain purpose. And then this exorcist priest said na yung mga sinasabi ng mga demons, parang they're saying all sorts of things for what they were created for. Some were saying, I was created to protect the trees. May mga ganon. I was created to protect a virgin's chastity, mga ganyan. Pero sabi niya, the most common, and he was very surprised to learn about it, na the most common purpose that the demons he encountered said that they were created for is to be a part of the throng of angels who proclaimed Hosanna in the highest in the shepherd's field nung
Mhm.
pinanganak si Jesus. So that
Yeah.
means God created an entire choir, 'di ba, ng mga angels
Yes,
just to
yes.
sing and just to proclaim the coming of Jesus Christ. Pero itong mga demons na 'to, parang they could not accept na, all knowing,
Yun
parang
lang.
ito lang, parang I was created. So
Yeah.
they rejected that purpose. They don't wanna fulfill it, and parang ayaw nila, parang parang 'di ba, parang hindi nila ma-gets or parang hindi nila ma-accept na
Yun lang yung
yun
purpose.
lang yung purpose nila, parang kakanta lang tayo dun ng Hosanna in the highest. Tapos para pa sa isang human being, 'di ba, na alam naman natin
Yeah.
parang,
It's
it
they
is
feel
God
like it's
incarnate.
mm.
Yeah, parang feeling siguro
Parang
nila,
na-belittle yung existence nila, no?
yeah, parang mas mataas tayo kaysa sa humans, is parang gano'n. Tapos kakanta lang tayo para sa 'di ba, para i-proclaim yung pagdating niya. So anyway, para sa akin yung ano ko dun, interpretation ko, yung na puwede nating i-apply sa atin is humility to accept. Parang minsan kasi
Correct.
marami sa atin na parang nafi-feel naman natin, na parang ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin, maybe this is my God-given purpose. So first and foremost, fulfill that. Parang have the humility to accept na, 'di ba, kahit nga si Joseph, the father of Jesus, he was a carpenter, parang all his life. Yun yung naging, 'di ba, parang mababang klase ng trabaho, maliit ang kita. Pero yun, parang yun yung purpose niya, na he was meant to build things with his hands, yung gano'n. So,
Correct,
first and
correct.
foremost, have the humility to accept na ito yung God-given purpose ko, and then fulfill it. But at the same
Yeah.
time, meron kang God-given purpose, yung sinasabi mo kanina na God-given talents, you also have
Yes.
to use it naman. You also have to use it. And I mean, siyempre for good. And also parang, kailangan iisipin mo rin, is this parang leading me closer to God? Kasi kung
Correct.
minsan, hindi ka naman talaga masaya na ito lang, sinasabi mo lang sa sarili mo na kontento na ako. Pero kung
Yes, yes.
if you will only strive to become better, baka mas maging masaya ka, baka mas maging mabuti kang tao, baka mas marami kang matulungan, 'di ba? If you
Correct.
improve yourself. So, parang mas mas ano, parang mas mafu-fulfill mo yung mga, bagay na gusto ni God rin para sa'yo, 'di ba?
Correct.
If you strive to improve yourself. So yun naman yung take ko. So kailangan both, makuntento and i-fulfill yung God-given purpose and then yun nga, God-given talent, you have to use it.
Mm. So parang okay lang naman kung part siya ng choir, pero sana ginalingan niya na lang, 'di ba? Parang
Yeah,
I'm good. So parang gano'n, 'di
oo.
ba?
Talaga
Kahit na
tinodo niya, 'di ba, yung
oo,
performance
correct.
level. Oo, ang pagkanta niya.
So
So
parang halimbawa, street sweeper ako, pero gagalingan ko talaga. Like, every day,
yeah,
I'll make sure na magaling ako street sweeper. And
mm,
kung sumasaya ako sa paglilinis ng
mm,
bahay, 'di ba? Or ng,
yeah.
ng roads, edi
And then on the
gagalingan ko na
side,
lang. I'll be the best sweeper. Oh,
yeah, and then,
yeah.
for our sisters listening naman, yung mga, 'di ba, most of us are moms, most of us are parents or wives. Parang if you feel that that is your primary calling or purpose na, to serve your family, to be a good wife or a mom, fulfill that first and then, 'di ba? Puwede pa namang may and then,
Yes,
hindi
yes,
naman yun lang.
yes,
So, parang on the side meron akong ganito na project, naggagawa ako ng mga necklace na, just like the one you're wearing right now. 'Di ba? Parang on the
yes.
side ano, meron akong business na bini-build or nagpo-podcast ako, something. 'Di ba? Parang
Oo, correct, correct. Yeah, yeah, yeah. At something lang to add value to yourself. And laging um isipin natin na like yung hindi nasasayang yung existence natin. Parang
yeah,
hindi dumadaan yung araw-araw na lumipas lang. Day in,
yes.
day out. I
Oo.
did this. Pinalipas ko lang maghapon. Ganun na lang. So, di
Yes.
ba, like, there's always a way to improve and get better at things that
Mm,
you're doing. And tama ka dun sa I really like what you said, that you need to have the humility to accept na ito ang pinili ko kasi I think this is my God-given purpose. For
mm.
now. For
Masaya
now. It
ako na
doesn't have to be,
ginagawa 'to, yeah.
oo. And it doesn't mean naman na yun ka ngayon, yun ka na rin hanggang sa pagtagal. Di
Or
ba?
yun ka
Nag-e-evolve
lang.
talaga. Ngayon. Ganun
Mm,
ka lang, ganyan. So, yeah. But you have to keep on doing things in order to find bigger roles na yun pala yung isa sa mga gusto ni Lord para sa'yo or talagang tingin mo dun ka mag-flourish, something like that, no? So, it takes a lot of humility to accept that, yung true kind of humility. Kasi
mm,
hindi, um, yung pagsabi na, hindi, okay lang ako, kasi ito lang ako ganyan. I don't think it's really like being true humility. Like, it's more of you are afraid of feeling of, di ba, of not being
yeah,
successful. Kaya you're not trying. Sorry, I just have to say
mm,
that kasi I know that's brutally honest. Pero totoo naman, kailangan talaga minsan marinig natin yan na minsan sinasabi natin, hindi na tayo nagtatry kasi ayaw nating mag-fail. And
mm,
it's not humility na, it's not being humble na, okay na ako na ganito lang ako kasi, ganito lang kaya ko ganyan. Hindi. I think you are more arrogant being like
yan,
that na
yeah,
hindi ka nagtatry na, um, ng ibang bagay, 'di ba, or
mm,
hindi ka nagtatry na mag-improve.
mm,
Kasi ayaw mong magmukhang mukha ang pangit talaga or mukhang tanga 'pag nagsa-start, sorry. Pero 'di ba 'pag
Yeah.
nagsisimula kasi nobody started ng, lahat naging amateur sa lahat ng
Mm.
bagay, 'di ba? I'm
Mm.
sure few hundreds of episodes from now, 'pag binalikan natin 'to, matatawa talaga tayo sa sarili natin kasi this is way too raw and too pangit,
Yeah.
siguro ganyan.
Mm.
Pero, ang importante mag-start ka eh. And it's okay. Okay lang. Hindi naman pagandahan to. Hindi naman to Miss Universe. Diba? Parang ganyan.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I think that's one thing na ano sila, they're very proud that they don't want to be seen in an awkward situation or in a situation that they feel like they are not perfect or they're not good at yet. Pero
Yeah,
lahat naman
speaking
tayo,
of yung
walang amateur.
Yeah, speaking
Go
of yun nga, yung parang arrogance, I even wrote this in my book, na parang sometimes some people are not afraid to fail, but they're afraid to be seen starting small. 'Di ba
Yes,
na
yes.
parang sabihin, "Ay, ayun siya, parang ano, nagbebenta na
Oo,
siya ng
naggaganon lang. Oo,
oo,
tama,
'di ba?
tama.
Eh, syempre when you're
Baka
starting
naghihirap
small,
na siya.
I mean,
Mga
yeah, when
ganon.
you're starting, 'di ba, when you're starting, talagang ano, syempre maliit muna, tapos hindi ka pa naman talaga bonggang-bongga. So, parang ang
Correct.
'di ba, parang ayaw ayaw natin 'yun, eh. Marami sa'tin ayaw yung gano'n na parang, "Ay, parang bakit niya ginagawa yun?" Ayan, sabi mo nga, naghihirap na siya,
Oh,
bakit siya nagbebenta ng ganyan? Or 'di ba, or
oo.
yun yung ano niya, yun yung trabaho niya, yun yung ano niya, yun yung business niya, parang 'di ba? So, yun, it takes humility rin
Yeah,
to
the right kind
start,
of humility.
yeah, to start something. And also, yun din yung reason eh kung bakit gusto nating mag-build ng community for
Yes.
our sisters who have dreams or goals na they wanna bring to life nga or projects kung ano man yun,
Tama,
if they
tama.
wanna, 'di ba, they wanna lose weight, they wanna build a business, they wanna
Mhm.
switch careers, they wanna write a book, or 'di ba, kung ano man yung project na
Whatever.
gusto mo.
Kung ano man
Yeah, parang
yan.
kailangan gusto rin mag-build ng community para, to let them know na when you're starting, ganyan talaga. Mahirap, you'll be seen na parang, ay, kawawa naman siya, gano'n.
Awkward, diba?
Yeah.
Or
So, yun.
yeah,
That's why nga,
we may not be expert in those field, pero we're here to listen to your stories, your struggles, to your like goals also na hindi namin
na,
tatawanan. 'Di ba? Wag mo isipin na matatawa kami kasi kami din,
yeah,
ganun lang din yung mga goals namin. Like really, baby steps
yeah,
na pwede ka namin i-cheer sa
mhm,
journey mo. We'll journey with you. So, yun yung
yes,
isa sa mga
that's what
purpose
we
ng
want.
podcast to achieve.
Yes, and also, we plan to bring in some people, ita-try natin ulit, no, who are experts,
Oo.
because we're not, who are experts in the field na gustong ma-achieve or gusto maging successful no mga ang nakikinig sa atin para they can provide
Yes.
specific steps or specific strategies na pwedeng ma-employ no mga nandun pa lang sa stage na nangangarap or nagsa-start para mabigyan sila ng tips nung kung sino man yung nakaabot
Yeah.
na dun sa gustong
Yeah.
marating nung
Totoo.
nagsa-start pa lang.
Yeah, tsaka yun, also another thing, syempre we should always take advice from those people who've been through it. 'Di ba? Dun sa hinihinga natin na advice. Kami naman parang mga sassy ano lang, sassy things lang ng gusto namin sabihin. Pero we can always connect you to someone who's been there, done
Yeah.
that, 'di ba? And we can really take advice from them. Kasi hindi yung ah ano-ano lang, basta-basta lang. Basta gano'n, parang
Tsaka
and
para mapabilis yung ano nila, yung
correct.
progress nila. Kasi 'di ba parang ano nga yan eh, parang ngayon para it's more important to know who than the how. Parang 'di ba, it
Yes,
will it will
true.
compress your learning curve, yung learning process. Mapapabilis siya kapag you know the right person to ask. kaysa
Yes.
alamin mo kung paano gawin, hanapin mo yung tamang tao na magtuturo sa'yo kung papaano. So yun, we'll
So,
try to do that. We'll try to
isa yan sa
invite
mga
people.
goals din natin dito sa
Mm.
Sistering with Mel and Glenn na
Yeah,
we
that's
really
why,
want to connect them also.
that's why we encourage you. We want to encourage our listeners na if you have a specific project in mind or you have a specific dream na matagal mo nang gusto, and maybe this is the time to start it, to pursue it, and then you can send us a DM or comment sa social media account namin regarding that project that you plan to do, para we can invite the right person who can help you hasten that project.
Tsaka for sure, yung mga tao na talagang naging successful na in doing something, they're more than willing, trust me, they're more than willing to share or to help. We should not be afraid of asking from help. Siyempre, wag financial help. Pero yung talagang tulong na, yung mga valuable lessons na natutunan nila along the way. Kasi, that really separates the people who are really successful. Kasi sila yung, actually, you don't have to ask them eh. They will voluntarily give you advice on,
Yeah.
para hindi ka mag-commit ng same mistakes na nila. Kasi they don't need that anymore. Tapos na sila doon, successful na sila. So, at marami yan, akala lang natin wala. Tapos, masu-surprise tayo, na si ganito pala siya, pero ginawa niya rin tong project na to, or pinagdaanan niya rin to, at nagsimula rin siya ng maliit.
Yeah.
Na maliit lang na parang ako ngayon. So, parang it's really nice to know na yung mga ganong stories. And, that's one thing that we want to bring into this platform.
Yan. Okay. So, yeah, please send us your letters. Talent list. Dear sis, ganito, ito talaga yung gusto ko. Yung mga ganon. Huwag kayong mahiya. Kung medyo nahihiya, pwede namang DM para walang ibang makabasa. Kami lang. Di ba? Para lang, di ba, we can invite the right persons na makakatulong sa inyo. Kasi kami naman, parang di sa inyo, kasi tayo gusto lang nating dumaldal. Di ba tayo
chika lang
expert?
talaga. Lagi lang, chika lang ang namin, ang ambag dito. Para lang. Kaloka. Sige, yan. So, I think we can wrap up this episode on that note that we're encouraging you to not to hesitate. Don't hesitate to share us your dreams, or kung meron din kayong, baka naman meron na kayong someone in mind na gustong matanong, diba, or ganyan. Maybe we can do something about it, can reach out, diba, and may connect natin yan. At makapag-share din siya ng something na magiging valuable for everyone.
Yeah.
Yan.
Okay. So, this has been another episode of Sistering with Mel and Lynn. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
See you again next time. Bye.